Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make kelewele. It's a popular Ghanaian street food and it's not just any kind of fried plantain, but the flavor from the rich spices will keep you longing for more. So for the kelewele, I'll be using a handful of spices. I'll be using some negro pepper, also known as oda, some African nutmeg, that's ehuru, some cloves, dry pepper, ginger, garlic and little onion. So this spice mixture is actually where the magic happens. So I'll be pounding mine in a mortar, but you can choose to blend yours to a smooth paste. And these spices are very healthy. So just go ahead and set this aside. So for the plantain, I'll be making use of 2 ripe plantain and I've washed them already. I'll just go ahead and peel the back. You can choose to cut your plantain into any preferred shape of your choice. But in the street of Ghana, this is how it's being cut. All you just need to do is to divide yours into 2 equal halves. Then cut it into small bite size in a diagonal way in order to achieve that shape for your signature kelewele. On the other hand, one may ask if you can make use of unripe plantain. Though ripe plantains are most preferred, but if you want yours to be less sweet and more firm in texture, why not? But all you just need to know is that with unripe plantain, the flavor will differ slightly. So next, I'll be transferring our spices into the plantain, then mix everything together, ensuring that each plantain pieces is properly coated with the spice. So I'll allow this to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes just so the plantain could absorb all the flavor from the spices before frying. So this is 15 minutes later of marinating the plantain. I'll just go ahead and fry. I have some vegetable oil that I heated up already on medium heat. I'll go ahead and transfer the plantain into the oil. Whenever you want to make kelewele and you transfer your plantain into the oil, try not to stir it at first. And you can also choose to fry yours in batches depending on the portion of kelewele you want to make. But for me, everything goes in. So allow this to fry on medium heat. So this is 3 minutes later. I'll gently move the plantain a little bit. Remember, I didn't stir at first when I added the plantain. This is just so the spice could stick to the plantain. So allow this to fry further. So finally, this is after 2 extra minutes and our kelewele is pretty much ready. You know it's ready when it starts to turn golden brown like this and becomes cripsy on the outside. So I'll be removing mine using a slotted spoon, then place it in a plate lined with paper towel in order to drain out the excess oil. So that's it for our kelewele. You can choose to enjoy yours as a snack with peanuts or probably with a cold drink, or you can also choose to enjoy yours as a side meal. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.